Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Ocean Blue Weatherman Sports Entertainment Channel. It is a Sunday afternoon here in the USA, the color red, white, and blue, Southern Illinois. It is week 2 of high school football. This is the Week 2 schedule and predictions brought to you by the Ocean Blue Weatherman Sports Entertainment Channel. This week, on Thursday, Vienna Goreville travels to Massac County on Thursday. Massac County is 0-1. Goreville is 0-0, Vienna Goreville. Harrisburg travels to DuQuoin. Harrisburg is 1-0. DuQuoin is 0-1. Roxana travels to Murfreesboro, where Murfreesboro and Roxana both are 0-1. Carterville at Nashville, both teams are 1-0. Salem at Richland County, both teams 0-1. Heron at West Frankfort. Heron is 0-1. West Frankfort is 1-0. Anna Jonesboro travels to Chester, where both teams are 0-1. Now, this Chester team just recently, on Saturday, traveled to Paris, where they took on the Paris Tigers and lost in an effort in a game that was a comeback game. But they fell short to the Paris Tigers to take an 0-1 record on the season. The Anna Jonesboro Wildcats, they hosted the Harrisburg Bulldogs, who put up 56 points. Crazy. 56-3. Wow. Can you say that again? Carlisle travels to Pinckneyville. Carlisle is 1-0. Pinckneyville is 0-1. Benton goes to Robinson, where both teams are 1-0. Johnson City goes to CZR. Both teams are 1-0. Flora goes to Carmi. Flora is 1-0. Carmi is 0-1. El Dorado goes to Edwards County, where both teams are 0-1. Fairfield travels to Red Hill. Fairfield is 1-0, and Red Hill is 0-1. Hamilton County travels to Cesar Valier, where Hamilton County is 1-0, and Cesar Valier is 0-1 currently. Now, for your score predictions, for your Week 2 score predictions here on the Ocean Blue Weatherman Sports Entertainment Channel, Vienna Goreville loses to Massac County 28-0. Harrisburg defeats DuQuoin 28-21. Roxana defeats Murfreesboro 21-16. Carterville beats Nashville 21-18. Salem beats Richland County 14-7. West Frankfort beats Heron 35-21. Chester beats AJ 42-3. Pinckneyville beats Carlisle 28-14. Benton beats Robinson 21-14. Johnson City over CZR 35-32. Flora over Carmi 28-21. Edwards County over El Dorado 32-21. Fairfield over Red Hill 21-12. Hamilton County over Cesar Valier 14-7. This week, the weather in Southern Illinois, it is going to be warm. It is going to be humid. It's going to be muggy. Temperatures in the upper 80s, mid 80s. possibly low 90s. So, that's your weather for your week 2. High school football here in Southern Illinois. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this has been a presentation of the Ocean Blue Weatherman Sports Entertainment Channel, live here in Southern Illinois, home of the Salukis. And then once again, thank you for tuning in. Everybody remember this one thing. Today is the day that we stop the negativity. Today is the day that we spread positivity. You wake up, you get up, and you thank God for allowing you another day. Get rid of the negativity, get rid of the hate, and spread that positivity. This has been a broadcast of the Ocean Blue Sports Entertainment Channel. Thank you guys.